I'm excited to open this box because it contains from Just Smile the battle rope I wanted. I've been using it, or I used it in the past. Not exactly this one. This one looks really nice. I can't wait to see with you what we're about to test out. Battle ropes are an incredible way to work out. Literally a full workout. I'm telling you, not just upper body, but legs as well, and cardio. Woo! This is going to be interesting pull. I'll let you see it right there. It is quite heavy, as you would expect. And oh my goodness, look at that. I love it. It is completely basically encased in this mesh or in this piece of cloth. So you know you're going to keep that rope really, really sturdy, really clean, and it's not going to break apart like most ropes if you just have a rope that you get from a convenience store or a department store like that. I love the fact that these are rubberized, very nice to hold, and very nice to easy to clean. That's the most important thing as well. So let's open it up. This rope is 30 feet long. You can anchor it down. Come on. I didn't even know you could. I was going to anchor it down my own way, but they provide you with the anchor. So you can anchor that down and attach the rope and then just go and do your battle roping workout. This is a really nice one. Look at that. And it's heavy. That's the whole point. It is heavy. You get that undulation going, and it's a great workout. I can't wait to try it out. Let's see what it looks like. So they provide you with the anchor, like I mentioned, but also with the straps and the carabiner. So the straps are attached to the middle of the rope right here, and there is a protective little encasing, which is nice. And then you've got this where you can actually attach it to a wall, a post, anything like that. They also include the bolts, the really, really nice and heavy duty bolts. So that's an all-in-one package. So let's try to make it work. We will eventually, of course, attach it to a wall, but right now, without even being anchored, it's just, across a post, and it is very, very sturdy. I like it a lot. The actual handles are super comfortable, and it's a total workout.